guys, today I'm making mini cassava cake. I have 4 cups of cassava.
4 cups of cassava. Okay. What else do you have? What are these? 3 eggs.
3 eggs. And 1 sugar.
1 cup sugar. Who has been eating sugar? Both of you have been eating sugar, right?
No, he. That cutie guy. No, I'm not eating it.
You were eating it, right?
I'm not eating it.
Okay. What else do you need?
And
What is that?
And we need
Butter?
Butter.
3 tablespoon melted butter.
Yeah.
What is that?
This.
Evaporated milk. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can. What is that? Condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
And 2 cups of
2 cups of milk.
coconut cream. Are you ready to mix everything?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All right, first, okay, put sugar.
I want the sugar.
You want to do sugar?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to do butter? Here.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
I didn't need. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Here, put it in here.
Again. Here?
Good
Now
job.
I do the egg yolk.
Okay, you guys do the eggs.
Now I do the egg yolk, silly. Now my turn.
Okay, I'm gonna help you with this one. Okay, so coconut cream,
Now it's my turn, Hadi. Okay.
condensed milk,
Condensed milk.
1 can.
It's gonna be my turn. 1 can. Okay. Ooh.
Good job. Wow. Lots of condensed milk, right?
I'll do that one.
You wanna do the evaporated milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's helping you, Musa?
Hadi.
Hey, Hadi.
Hi.
You guys got a haircut today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like your haircut?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, good job. Okay, now Musa, you're gonna mix everything together.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll make it too.
Okay, first Musa and then Hadi, your turn, okay?
No, we both.
All right, let's mix. Come on. Yes, mix everything.
Okay. We both serving. Yes. Stop.
Okay, mix. Use 2 hands.
Wait.
No, put 1 hand on the bowl and 1 hand to mix. How is the mixing going?
Good. Good.
Good. Is it all done? Let's see. Very good. Look at both of you.
Like that. Ow! Oh no, no. You put the
Pour the mixture.
pour the mixture and the cupcake
Tray liner.
tray
Okay.
liner.
All right. So you already greased the tray. All right. Pour the mixture.
Okay, I'm putting this one.
So about 1/4 cup, right?
No, I'm gonna do it.
You wanna do it too, Hadi?
Yeah.
Okay.
It dropped in my apron.
It's okay. We'll clean it up. Okay, what are we doing?
We put in the cupcake dough in the oven.
For how long?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
And on what temperature? 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's put it in the oven. And we have a lot of batter left, so we are going to do a couple of batches, right? Okay, Musa, while our mini cakes are in the oven, let's prepare our topping. What do we need for the topping? What is this?
Milk.
Coconut milk, 1/2 cup.
2 egg yolk.
2 egg yolks,
And 1
1/2 cup.
half cup of
Condensed milk.
condensed milk.
Okay, you want to mix everything?
Yeah.
Mix everything here. Put everything here.
Okay. I'm gonna put this first.
Okay.
Put everything in the
Oh, yes. Good job. Let's see. I can help you a little bit. There you go. Good job. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Now my eggy.
Eggy.
Two
Egg yolks.
Eggy.
All right.
Eggy
Good.
yolk.
Okay, that's it. That's good.
I
Now
put
mix.
some- Mix, mix, mix. Mix, we now gotta mix, mix, mix. All through the town. Mix, mix.
Did you make your own song?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Mix, we gotta mix, mix, mix. All through the town.
Okay. How are we doing?
Good.
Good job. It's all mixed. All right. Good job, Musa. All right, Musa. The cassava cake is out of the oven. What are you doing now?
Putting
Your toppings? Okay. On each one? Okay.
Yeah. Put it here.
Yes. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons, right?
Yes.
All right.
And
Finish
I'm
it.
gonna put the next one in. Here.
Okay. Good job.
On top now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in this
What
one.
kind of cheese is that? Mozzarella?
Yeah. I like these cheese.
And you have been eating too, I noticed.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I can see them.
Yeah. Sprinkle it. A little bit cheese on top.
Ooh, yeah.
Good. And then you will bake it again for another 20 minutes until it's golden brown. 10 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown, right?
Yeah. I put all of this in it. Thank you for watching. Bye.